Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aaha, a series on instant noodles. New recipes every Monday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. Today we will be using top ramen curry. Now we're gonna prepare a vegetable curry noodles today. Now I will be using 2 blocks from this packet. This packet contains 4 blocks of noodles, so I'm gonna use only 2 blocks of noodles today. I've taken a pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is warm, add half a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped onions, half a teaspoon of finely chopped capsicum. Now we will fry this till the onion gets glossy. Now that the onion is turned to glossy, we will add the vegetables. So I'm going to add chopped beans, chopped broccolis, baby corn, and some mushrooms. Now we will stir fry those vegetables along with the onions. Now we will stir fry these vegetables till they get cooked. Once the vegetables are cooked, now we will add 2 packets of curry powder that is available in the instant noodle packet. Mix it well so that the masala blends with the vegetables. We will add 4 cups of water. Now when I say 4 cups of water, the water that we're going to add has to be a little bit in excess compared to your regular way that you cook your instant noodles. Now this is a curry noodles, so it has to be in excess. Now once we add the water, we will mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Now the vegetables that I've added is as per my choice. Now if you want a choice of your vegetables that you like or whatever vegetables that you want to add, you can add those vegetables to this curry. Now that the curry has come to a boil, now at this point of time, we will add some chopped tofus. We will add 2 blocks of noodles from the packet. Now we will close the lid and we will cook this for 2 minutes. The noodles has been cooking for 2 minutes. We will open up the lid. the noodles is cooked, we will turn off the stove and add some spring onions to the curry. Your yummy vegetable curry noodles is ready. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.